Hi, I'm Dave, and today we're going to be fitting the boiler back in the frames of 4930 Hagley Hall. Should we go and see how it's getting on? Today we've been focusing on getting the boiler back in the chassis. We've had it up in the air. Just make sure nothing's going to be in the way when we go down with it. This is the ash pan, doesn't normally get seen, but when the engine's running, as the fire's burning through, this is where the spent fire will drop into. So it's important it's a good fit as well. We've had to balance out the boiler, which involved having to get inside the ash pan and put some of the pieces of the grate in just to try and level it up a bit, because we can only move the chains a certain amount with where they are. Yeah, keep an eye as it goes down. Yeah.
Oh, it's going up.
It's been a culmination of quite a lot of work, and there's been different people involved. Check the front end, make sure we can actually get the doors closed as well. You have moments where you're just looking around everything. You kind of feel that you should be nervous because of what you're dealing with, the size of it. Yeah, we'll start a bit of down there. But you're spending that much time on making sure stuff's actually clear, things aren't going to hit.
You're at your side, Max.
That it just kind of passes you by, but now it's down, I'm really pleased with it. It's been a lot of work. We've had to do some grinding on the smoke box to take away some excess weld. We've had to sort out the boiler skids. These are what will support the boiler when it's back in the frames. They came in a little out of square, so we've had to pack them up right. These boiler skids, they're just down the side there. They sit on top of the frames here, and that actually supports the back end of the boiler and allows the firebox to move backwards and forwards as it's heated up and cooled down with the fire inside. And then we're also going to look if we can actually scoot the boiler forwards a bit, just to try and line up the smoke box a bit better. Other than that, it's gone all right. I feel today, actually, with the problems we had to start with, that the day's actually gone quite well. We worked together well to decide which problem to sort out first, how to get the boiler where we actually need it, and it's all come good in the end, so really pleased with how it's come out. We've just got all the rest of the engines put together now, so we're going to be busy.